So hello and welcome to another video of software testing. In this video, we are going to talk about the sanity testing. So what is sanity testing? So as per the definition, you can say, let me say, as per the definition, sanity testing is a type of software testing that is used to verify a small change or a bug fix in the software is working as intended and has not caused any unexpected side effect or broken any existing functionality. So in simple term, if I say there are multiple like initially we are having builds and on that we are doing the smoke testing. Let me separate this from sanity and smoke. So smoke testing was done on the application initial builds to check the basic functionality of the application, which is also called shallow testing. Okay, on the sanity testing we are testing the in-depth testing of any of the module on which we have received some fix. For example, let me take you to the a diagram. Let's say here uh, we have some initial. Let's say here we have some initial builds. Build one, then you have done testing on you got some build two, then you got build three, and on build three, or let's say in build four, let's say on build four, you have raised some defect. Okay, you have raised some defect here on build 4. Let's say on any login or register page, login or register module, you have raised some defect. So once the dev has fixed this defect and you have received another build, let's say it is build 5, it is build 5. So if you have received another build of build 5 and plus this is also having the fix. So on that, what we are doing is, let's say, whatever the bug fix is, let's say it is login or register. Let's take it as register. So on register module, we have received the build, received the fix. So what you are going to do is, you are going to test this register module in depth before going to full regression. So why we are talking about the regression here? So we are talking about the regression like once we received any defect fix on our build, we must make sure that our whole application is working properly and it is not blocking any of the other dependent functionality or modules. So that's why after the defects fix, we must check our application fully, like we do the regression testing. But before going deep into the regression testing, we first check the fixed module on the module which we have received the fix. We will check the deep we will having the deep check on this fix module and make sure that the broken fix is like broken module is fixed and it is working properly independently, and after that independent checking we will go to the full regression testing to check that the whole application is working properly and not blocking up anything in between. Okay. So this is you can also say narrow regression testing. You can say for this sanity testing, right? So this regression testing may depends on your strategy. Okay, so whatever the process you do, but before going to the full testing of the application, you should go for the sanity testing to save your time and make sure that the fix which is defect found in the build 4 was working properly in build 5. That is, build 5 should not have any other defects or bugs after fixing this defect. Okay, and later on you can go for the regression testing if you want. Like if you have time, you can continue with the regression depending on your strategy, whatever you do. Okay, so in simple words, we can say that testing the defect area of the build, that is deeply testing of the defected area of the build, and testing then again testing the whole application to make sure that none of the other dependent parts or the another bug is introduced in the build file. Okay, so this is all about the sanity testing. So with this example, you must have understood about what sanity testing is and when we do the sanity testing. Okay, if this video is helpful, please like this video, share and subscribe the channel. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.